Welcome to Global Gift TV. Today I will show you how to make at least 100 TRS from Tron mining site. The first thing I'm going to do is that this is an investment platform that you can invest your TRS, you can invest your Tron. First thing I'm going to do is that you will register your account. First thing, I'm going to register your account. After registering, you see the front page. You register, you will come here, you see 20% after 100 days plus capital. In a day, you want to invest, you are using TRS is 150 Tron, 150 Tron, 150 Tron. And the minimum to invest, you want to invest DOGE, 150 DOGE, 150 DOGE. But if you have USDT, you can invest 10 USDT, that is the minimum. You'll be getting 3% every day. You're getting 3% every day. And within 100 days, you can get your 200% back for the capital. And you can withdraw every day from this platform, withdrawing your 3% every day. This is amazing. The second package the one with 300% plus your capital after 100 days. You can be withdrawing your capital every day. This one will be earning 4% every day. Earning 4%. You want to invest, maybe BTC, you can invest 0.11 BTC as the minimum you can invest. For BNB it's 8 BNB. These are the dose. For DOGE is 3,100 DOGE. There it is. Minimum for Tron 2 is 3,100. 3,100 for Tron. You can choose any plan you are going for, but the one for the big boys are here. One for 600% on your capital after 100 days, and here you'll be earning 7% every day. 7% every day. If you have any money that you know that you want to invest, come and invest in this platform, the Boom platform. The one has been online at least 1 month now, and you'll be paying. So come and invest here. I'm assuring that platform can still pay you. For the second to the last, that one 150 is 500% to your capital after 100 days. What happens is that if I want that, you can withdraw every day. And you can also refer your friends. And each referrals, you'll be getting 3 to 2%. But assuming you are in the last one, they are doing the one of 600%, your referrals will be getting 7% from each referrals. Let's go to our investment plan.
Subscribe.
You can withdraw anytime here in this platform. On that, after 100 days, you collect your money and capital. No, you can withdraw every day. It's your capital there. Yeah, the last video, this one will be earning 7% bonus from the referrals here. From the last one, that one, the one of 100%, and be earning 7% every day. So from you have to invest. I don't know. It's not a mining platform, but if you invest, you start mining. So it's very simple. You can withdraw any amount you want to withdraw. Yes, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.